keeping you 100% flake-free. Guaranteed. While smelling 100% handsome. Take a whiff. Head and Shoulders with Old Spice.
The inspector, Dolly Jester. We know picky eaters. That's why we make Tyson Fun Nuggets. Kids love the dinosaur shapes. Moms love that they're made with white meat from chicken raised with no added hormones or steroids. Tyson Fun Nuggets, the fun way to a clean plate.
Want my secret to a lean, sexy body? Just add skinny sticks to water, sip, and enjoy. Curb appetite, boost energy, burn fat, and lose weight. Deliciously quick with skinny sticks. You'll never look at iced coffee the same way again. Say hello to new Skinny Cow Creamy Iced Coffee. Skinny Cow. So impossible, so good.
Well, my hand's about to fall off my paperwork getting me filling out.
He's in there with a heart attack, and you're out here complaining about forms?
They weren't going to treat him until somebody filled out the paperwork. They've been out of it since the ambulance ride.
Yeah, well, maybe you're not going through what I am.
I don't want to talk about this right now, okay? Just go see our father. It'd be nice to get his own room.
Yeah, well, whatever this nice room costs, I'm paying half.
Oh, look, don't worry about it, man. My stepfather's willing to help out. You know, it's just...
My dad and I do not need charity from your family.
Sean, you don't know...
No, how much does this room cost? How much does the room cost?
$2,000.
Okay.
A day.
What are they, out of their freaking minds? Here's 22. Take it.
For ours is a love unlike any there has ever been or ever will be again. What I feel for you transcends love itself as two souls become one on this, our wedding day. Oh, this is really beautiful, but I think I'd rather wait until our wedding day to hear your vows.
Those aren't my vows, those are your vows.
Topanga, I appreciate your input, but don't you think I can write my own wedding vows?
You're right. Why don't you try?
Okay. Sometimes two people who love each other are in love. And because of that love, they love each other. All right, you write the vows.
Now, regarding our wedding night.
Topanga,
Bermuda.
I'll call you whatever you want.
We're gonna honeymoon in Bermuda. It's the perfect climate, fabulous food, just about the best darn snorkeling this side of anywhere.
But I don't want to be in the ocean. I want to be in the room. Alone.
Why are you so obsessed with sex?
Because I don't get any. Telephone. Hold that thought.
Isn't my patient little Corey cute?
Oh, he's not going to be so cute when his patient little head explodes.
Sean's father had a heart attack. she caused your heart attack with her cake of death?
I didn't say my cake caused it. I said it was a contributing factor.
Well, the sucker was rich, man. That sucker chest pain was
Come here, darling. Not you, you moron. Look, you weren't your cake of death would give me a heart attack. Little Sean yelling and screaming.
I guess you're feeling better. I'll go tell Jack you're awake.
I'm so glad you're okay. I was so scared when it happened.
Yeah, dude, the way your eyes are bugging out of your head is totally cool, man.
Well, I'll tell you, it's worth living just to look at this lovely face.
Oh, you're such a sweet man. Is there anything I can do for you?
There is something you could do for me. Tomorrow's Jack's birthday. If you could pick him up something nice for me to give him.
Oh, yeah. You know what? I think I have the perfect thing. Take care of yourself, okay? Let's go.
Okay, Chip. Just try to relax, all right? He's asleep again. Good. Sleep is good. You know, this is probably gonna sound crazy, but this whole ordeal could be a blessing in disguise. Why would you say that? He's gonna have to slow down, right? So maybe he'll stick around for a while. Jack, the second he gets out of here, he's going straight to Vegas. Don't say it, because you don't know. No, I do know. I know him. I am him. You're not, Sean. Yes, I am. Why can't I get close to anybody in my life? I'm exactly like him. Look at you and me. We're brothers, right? We're not close at all. Hey. How you guys holding up? Fine. I'll be fine. Thanks for coming down, Mr. and Mrs. Matthews. Josephine.
Boys, take all the time you need. Don't worry about school. Just take care of your dad and yourselves.
Yeah, and you know that if you need to talk, we're here.